Hi, after a month in this social distancing time, I think we are very well in our baking skills, right? What are we gonna do today?
Right. Well, it's chocolate chip cookies, basically. I was reading the news this morning and found out that the Hilton hotel is sharing their recipe for their famous chocolate chip cookie, and I thought, well, this might be a good idea. Spend your Saturday baking some stuff, honing our skills, and enjoy a nice treat at the end of the day. So that's what we decided.
You won't
to do.
regret. It's so delicious.
Thank you.
So let's do it.
Sugar and brown sugar in the bowl for about 2 minutes. Add eggs, vanilla,
vanilla extract, 1 egg, 2 egg, vanilla extract,
And some
lemon
juice. It's just a
lemon juice. Yeah,
twitch. It's
just a twitch.
We're gonna add the flour and the oats.
9.
Yeah, true.
Okay. Yeah. And the flour.
baking soda,
And the baking soda.
Baking soda,
salt,
So a teaspoon of salt.
salt,
Oh yeah, this is the salt.
What
and
else?
cinnamon.
And some
and
cinnamon.
cinnamon.
She put on the lid.
It says don't overmix.
Do not overmix.
So I'm gonna leave it there.
And then I'm gonna just add the
Let's
1 chocolate chips. I mean, 1 chocolate chips, and then the nuts.
in this case, which kind of nuts are they?
Like the
walnuts.
Walnuts?
Yeah, sure.
So this recipe was shared by Hilton, the hotel chain. Looks like they have this very famous cookie, chocolate chip cookie, and because of the quarantine and all what's going on in the world, they decided to share it with everyone and make it public, pretty much. Like it's kind of a secret recipe up until more and more dense. 1 cookie. But
So like
I think,
this?
well, that's in the shape of a cookie.
So it's something like this. We got 15 potential cookies. So now the oven is preheated in 300 degrees.
30 minutes later, we're getting these bad boys out of the oven. There we go. Freshly baked. You have to make sure the edges are golden brown. That's your cue.
So delicious.